How you doing? It's Tom, and I've got some more information about this DX-286. This thing is awesome. I did a band scan of the FM band. Now, normally when I do a band scan test of a radio, I get the listing off of radio-locator.com of all the stations, and I only go out 40 miles. Well, I did that, and I started checking what it found, and it was finding a lot of stations that weren't on my listing. So I'm like, well, maybe I need to go out to 75 miles. So I went out to 75 miles, and here's the listing. Found 44 stations. Now, this does not include like low power stations and repeaters and stuff like that. It only includes the major broadcast stations. And you can see with all my check marks, it found most of them, plus it found a whole bunch of other ones. Now, those might be repeaters that are close by. I didn't check that. So there it is. For instance, it didn't find this first one at 62 miles. That's in Bradenton. Didn't find that. Did find the one in Tampa at 32 miles. Didn't find 59, 57. There's a 32-mile one. There's a 32-mile one. There is a 62-mile one. 62 miles. It was weak, but it was, you could understand it. 32, 45 miles. 44 miles. 75 miles. 75 miles. And that was in Winter Haven, Central Florida, east of me. And there's 50 miles. There's 50 miles. There's 72. I did not get that. And of course, it depends on the frequency, depending on how powerful a transmitter they got. But there's another 72 I got, 72.5 miles. Oh my gosh, this radio is unbelievable. That's on the FM band. Like I said, a lot of these that it received that weren't on this listing may have been repeaters or low power stations close by that I didn't print out. I am really, really amazed at this radio. And it's so tiny. And the telescopic antenna, which is what I used, is only 19 inches. I did get the advantage of, I did do the scan in my office, which is on the second floor of my house. So I got that advantage. Unbelievable. I can't imagine what it would find if you use the external antenna jack. I'm not really showing you the actual stations to let you listen to it because most of them have music, and that's a no-no to play music. So that's why I'm not doing that. But I am thoroughly amazed at all the stations it found. Wow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.